Hello everyone, I am Christine Jewel Sayago and I am from BS Psychology A2. And today I am here to discuss about my cardiovascular and muscular training program. So, cardiovascular training, or also known as aerobic training, is the exercise that increases your muscular endurance by improving the performance of your lungs and heart so they can distribute oxygen to the muscles more efficiently. Like running, cycling, and swimming are all forms of cardiovascular training. So as you can see, here is my cardiovascular training program or my cardiovascular chart. So in cardiovascular chart, here is components and target. So frequency, 3 times a week. It means I will do my exercise 3 times a week. And the intensity, I choose moderate because I'm not that, ano, resting heart rate. My resting heart rate is 81 beats per minute. My heart rate reserve is 66% as I am in a moderate intensity. So I got my target heart rate. So I use some mathematical, ano, so 220 was given na. And minus 18 which is my age and minus 81 which is my resting heart rate. So 220 minus 18 minus 81 is 121. So 121, I I multiply it by 0.66, which is my heart rate reserve, 66%, plus 81 again, which is my resting heart rate. So it will be equals 160.86. That's my target heart rate. So an HR at high interval, I will get 160 beats per minute. And my HR at low interval naman, it was the same as I get my target heart rate. And ang pagkakaiba lang dito ay yung 0.66 na 66% na heart rate reserve ko, ibinago ko ng 0.33%. So, it will become 220 given minus 18 my age, minus 81 which is my resting heart rate times 0.33 and plus 81 again my resting heart rate, so it will become 120.93. So that is my HR at low interval. So my Borg rate of perceived exertion is 4, and the time warm up, we write it 5 minutes at low interval. So in 5 minutes at low interval I will do my warm up and stimulus at 10 minutes. So cool down is 5 minutes at low interval. So same as my warm up, I do my cool down at 5 minutes at low interval. So number of cycles is 2. Magagawa ako in 2 times. So, ang type ng cardiovascular training program ko is jogging. So, why I use jogging as my cardiovascular exercise? Well, jogging is a type of aerobic cardio exercise because it uses stored fats for energy, while sprinting is anaerobic because it uses muscle glycogen as its fuel source. Since jogging can be performed for long periods because of its moderate level of intensity, it is definitely a good exercise for working the cardiovascular system. And now we will proceed to my muscular training program. And here is my chart. So as you can see, there is training age and I put it 18 as my age. My goal is to have to core toning and strengthening. Volume is always moderate lang tayo. So, my frequency is 3 times a week. 3 times a week gagawin yung exercises. So, my session or duration was 30 minutes including warm-up and cool-down. So, sa 30 minutes na yon nakasali na yon ang warm-up at saka yung cool-down. So, this is my warm up and stretches. So I'll do one running, one across stretch, and one jumping jack. So duration, yung running is 1 minute. Pati na rin yung arm across stretch at jumping jack. So, gagawa tayo ng 3 sets at 10 repetitions. So, bali 30 sets na lahat yung warm up at saka yung stretches. So, in my exercise, as you can see, I will do one squat, one planking, crunch, heel tap, a Russian twist, reverse crunch, and plank hip dips. So, in my squat, I will do 3 sets and 10 repetition, which is 30 sets na. And my planking, I will do three sets but 1 repetition. And in the crunch, I will do 3 sets and 10 repetition. Same as squat, it will become 30 sets. And heel tap, 3 sets and 10 repetition. Russian twist, 3 sets and 10 repetition again. Reverse crunch, 3 sets and 10 repetition. Plank with hip dips, 3 sets and 10 repetition din. So every exercise na I will do, it will have a rest at 2 minutes. So the load for these exercises that I will do is 70% war 1 RM and then RPE of 3 all. So here is my cool down stretches. So I put it arm across stretch, which I put it also in my warm up and stretches. And prone quad stretch and breathing, inhale, exhale. It helps your core to in your breathing then. So every duration in my cool down stretches will be 30 seconds and it will repeat 5 times at the set of 2 times. So that is my muscular and cardiovascular training program and I thank you for watching.